The Walz Lithotron EL27 Compact is designed for the disintegration of stones under visual control during endoscopic procedures in the bile duct. This guide provides detailed instructions on the proper setup, inspection, and preparation of the Walz EHL system before use. It is crucial to read the instructions for use thoroughly to ensure safety and functionality. Setup and connection. The Walz Lithotron EL27 Compact includes the generator, power cable, foot switch, probe cable, and probe. Insert the foot switch connecting cable into the unit by aligning the notch in the cable with the notch on the Walz unit, indicated by the foot switch symbol. Ensure the connection is firm and secure. Insert the probe connecting cable into the probe connector by aligning the notch in the cable with the notch on the Walz unit. Secure it with the ring nut, ensuring a firm and secure connection. Inspection and preparation. Confirm the part number and inspect the expiration date on the package. Choose a probe that is not expired and ensure the sterile packaging is intact and free of damage, holes, or tears. Do not use the probe if the package is damaged, as sterility may be compromised. Remove the probe from the sterile package and check for any damage such as kinks or hard bends in the catheter. Inspect the probe tip for chips or dents and the probe catheter for major kinks or bends. Slight curves from storage should not affect the probe. Inspect the probe connector for any damage to the outside or the prongs within the plug. Connecting the probe. After inspection, insert the probe connector into the socket of the probe connecting cable by aligning the notch in the cable with the notch on the probe connector. Push the two twist caps in clockwise directions to lock the probe to the connecting cable in place. Confirm the connection is firm and secure. Powering on and setting up. Push the power switch to the on position. The power switch will illuminate and all display lights will blink momentarily. The intensity LED illuminates as the default setting. Important. Disconnecting the probe or turning off the generator during use will deactivate probe use, as probes are programmed for one use. Intensity setting. The intensity setting will default to the lowest level, which is intensity A, 250 millijoules, 40 Hz. The intensity can be adjusted according to the technical data section of the instructions for use. For a moderate amount of energy, intensity B, 500 millijoules, 40 Hz, can be selected. For a higher amount of energy, intensity C, 900 millijoules, 20 Hz, can be chosen. The unit will recognize the selected probe, and the corresponding LED in the probe setting will blink. Press the corresponding button to confirm. The LED will then shine continuously, indicating successful confirmation. Working life of the probe. Check the working life of the probe indicator on the Walz unit. A green display indicates the probe is unused, yellow indicates the probe is used, and red means the probe is expended. Replace expended probes to ensure optimal performance. Inserting the probe into the scope. Carefully insert the probe into the working channel of the scope and make short movements as you pass the probe. The probe tip must be extended from the tip of the endoscope by at least 5 millimeters. Avoid contact of the probe tip with tissue and do not touch the tip of an activated probe. Triggering a pulse. A single press on the foot pedal and immediate release triggers a single pulse. Pressing the foot pedal down for a few seconds triggers multiple pulses. Releasing the pedal will stop the pulses. If the foot is not released, the generator will automatically shut off the pulses after a programmed number of pulses. Refer to the technical data section in the instructions for use. Continue to press the foot switch as required. By following these steps, you ensure the proper setup and operation of your Walz Lithotron EL27 compact EHL unit and probes. For any further questions or assistance, please contact your Medtronic representative. Indications. Generation of electrical pulse energy for the disintegration of concrements. The EHL function of this product has been designed for the disintegration of stones under visual control during endoscopic procedures in the upper and lower urinary tract and in gastroenterology, particularly in the bile duct. For detailed safety warnings and instructions, refer to the instructions for use.